Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, yesterday we did an analysis on NASDAQ 100. We talked about NASDAQ 100 for today should give us a bullish move, right? And I told you guys the level that I am watching out for, which is a level of 11,300, right? So, price actually got to that level. Unfortunately, a lot of price actually broke above that level, so we are currently trading above it. As at now that I'm doing this analysis, price is trading at 11,336. By the way, the market is yet to close, so by the time the market closes, I'm sure it should have moved higher than that, or it should have dropped. Who knows? It should not be trading at this current level. Well, so the aim was to hit a level of 11,300, which I also took the buy movement and I also opt out. And I told you guys that if in case price can get to that level, we should expect a drop on this Nasdaq, right? So it got to the level of 11,300. Well, price did not give us the drop as we expected. Anyway, it actually pushed up. So that is it. Well, that is how price decided to play. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is tomorrow, right? So I think Nasdaq 100 will push up before we get that drop, because there's going to be a major news that will be released tomorrow, which will actually affect most of our trade, right? Which I think is CPI monthly and CPI on the yearly. Another news that will be released, well, that will affect the movement on this Nasdaq 100. So let's see if in London section we will continue this bullish move on Nasdaq 100. Then during that New Year section, after 2 hours on our New Year section, I believe that's when the news will be released. I just don't know what time zone you are currently at, so I can't really tell you a time. But we all know that the news will come out in London New Year section. So maybe let's see if Nasdaq 100 will continue this bullish move. Then in New Year section, we will be expecting a drop. Even close to when the news will be released, I believe there will be a drop. People will be anticipating, like expecting what this news will come out, right? A lot of people will be closing their positions, thereby making this price to even drops further, right? So you can see that this price has pushed up. A lot of people too will be panicking. Currently, we would want to see this price push up a bit. So let's see if we can find a rejection around this level in the London section, in our London section. So currently, let's see if this price can hit a level of 11,430. So I'll be watching out for that level. Possibly price can break higher than that too. But let's see if we can get to a level of 11,440 during that London section, by the way. So maybe once the New Year section comes in and the news is being released, then we will know if this price will continue to drop or it will continue to go. But I think this price will continue to drop. So that is what I'm thinking. But if in case price continues to give us that bullish move, then you can go ahead and take your buy. But I think we would actually get that drop. But I will be watching out for a level of 11,430 before we will get a drop on Nasdaq 100.